Champions League.
I was feeling from the beginning that I was different than the other ones. In my mind, I'm always the best. I don't care what the people are thinking, what they say. In my mind, not just this year, but always, I'm always the best. I'm always going to say that.
Ronaldo!
To be in my shoes is not easy, but I'm not complaining. I just want to say that I feel happy. All this happened because of the reason. The reason is I'm unbelievable inside the pitch. This is why the people have so much interest on me.
I'm always a competitive player, not just in the games. I'm in the training. I'm like that. I'm always try to competitive hard and try to win.
It's not about the money. It's about the passion. You have to work. I try to do it almost every day. This is why I'm in the top level many years. I think it's not by coincidence. It's because I do it extra outside the pitch.
We're going to play in Ronaldo. It is Ronaldo! It's 2-1 United! The theatre lives its dream! Its fantasy hero retreads the boards! Ronaldo. Oh, genius! Absolute genius! Would you believe it? And it's a hat-trick for Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano!
What's your secret? Because you're showing no signs of slowing down.
No secrets. Don't exist secrets. The secret is dedication and hard work. You know, to be able to work 100% all the time. My motivation is to be in the top level all the time. Every year is a challenge for me to be better than last year. So I know it's tough. Last year was amazing. 2 years ago was amazing too. So my job is to continue to work hard and dedicate myself 100% in my job and win trophies, you know, collective and individual too. I'm always say it's all package, you know. First of all, it's the talent helps a lot, of course, but of course the ethic of work. You have to put in your mind ethic of work when you are professional. So since day one, when I start with a professional, let's say with 16, 17, 18, I'm always have ethic to be the best, to train hard, to listen to all the players, experienced players. And of course my dreaming coming true. I was professional, I play in the best clubs in the world, I won the most important trophies. So I'm glad to be in this position, but of course this is not coming from the sky. I dedicate myself and I'm working hard, and this is why the goals and all the achievements that I get coming from dedication and hard work. To achieve this kind of things, you need to work hard and, you know, be a great professional, be serious in your job. And this is what I try to do. You know, to be here for 8th time, I think is not by coincidence. It's because, you know, we all have talent, but talent without the work, it's nothing.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Beautiful! Beautiful! Something close to genius. Ronaldo! First goal! Picture perfect for Mr. Perfect. Ronaldo puts Real in front. Cristiano Ronaldo! Who else on a big time? Who else to open the scoring?
I will continue to work hard to maintain that level. But anything it can be, you know, work hard. I think it's the main work and the dream, to believe in that everything is possible in a life. Not about the money, it's about the passion.